How to fix Roblox white screen while joining game. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, come onto your desktop and then you will see a Roblox shortcut. Right click onto it, click on properties here, then click on compatibility tab. Once you do so, you will see this disable full screen optimization. Check it and also check the option that says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, click OK. Now for the next step, you want to come below at the search bar of your PC, then here type in display settings. Open up your display settings, scroll below under related settings, you will see graphics. Click onto it. Then here you will see search this list, click onto it, then type in Roblox. You will see Roblox Corporation, expand this button. And likewise, you will see GPU preference. Make sure that this is on high performance and not on low or any other. Likewise, toggle on this button that says optimizations for windowed games. Now, once this is done, if it's still not working, then what you can do is, if you have installed Roblox from a web browser, you want to go ahead and uninstall and try install it from Microsoft Store instead. At the below search bar of your PC, type in Microsoft Store. Click on open. At the top search bar, type in Roblox. Then in your case, you might see get here or install. You have to click onto it and install Roblox from your store. Just like so guys, this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today and thank you for watching.